Okay, can you see my screen? Word problem worksheet number 1. You have to solve the following word problems. Quinas is just joining. The train left the station A at 17 hours. 17 means what time is for 17 hours, class?
5 o'clock là
Hello. 5 o'clock. So, and arrived at the station B exactly 3 hours later. Okay, please read the question again. The train left the station A at 17 hours sharp and arrived at the station B exactly 3 hours later. So what was the time when it reached station B?
hours.
Hmm?
8 hours.
No, 8 not 8 hour. Yes, 8 o'clock. How to? Because it's already in 24-hour system. So 8 hours is equals to. Hey, wait, give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I'm so sorry for the interruption. So since 17 is already in 24 hours, right? So what I can prefer is give your answer in 24 hours. 8 hours is very good, but 8 hours in 24 hours is what? What was the time when it reached station B?
21.
Not 21.
Hmm?
It's not
20.
21. 20. Very good. 20 hours. So you have to show the working 17 hours sharp. Okay, wait, I'll show you. Can you all see?
Yes.
17 hours. Are you all focusing or not? Nobody is responding to me. What happened?
Yes.
It happened.
Sao không?
Hey,
17、17、17、3、3、3，各位大家怪不懂。小的声音不梦里，我等一下，从我间。
oh. What sound is that?
Huh?
I'm going to
I don't-
remove the student from the call now.
No.
Okay, 20 hours. Can you all see? So the exact time he reached at the station B is 20 o'clock. That means 8 o'clock. Okay, number 2. Read the question for me. Students can open your videos. Worksheet number 1. Don't play with the mouse. Tikin, put it down. Okay, you can. Yes, Elrish.
I want to ask first one. First one, you only can write 20 hour only. And you
Yes.
can write 8 hour beside two answer. Or write one only.
8 hours cannot because 8 hours is 12-hour system. 20 hours is 24
only write 20
hours.
hour.
Exactly. Yes, correct. Okay, so Maria had a 2 hours 30 minutes long maths revision class yesterday. If it started at 10:15 a.m., when did the class end? Class. Maria had a 2 hours 30 minutes long maths revision class yesterday. If it started at 10:15 a.m., when did the class end? Scofield. Yes. Yes. Yes, you may go. Ethan. Scofield, Chicken, anyone want to try?
Wait. Whereas 2 hours.
His class started 10:15 a.m. Okay, so that means his class was 2 hours 30 minutes. 12:45 is wrong.
Teacher, what is your meaning first, teacher?
Oh, okay. Wow, Eldridge already give the answer already. 12:45. But how you got the answer? You have to explain. Nah. Who can explain to teacher? The class started at 10:15 a.m. But the duration of the class 2 hours 30 minutes means the maths class, the revision class. Okay, so that means what time is the class end? Ten 15. Yes.
10:50 plus 2 hour 30 minute plus
30
together. Okay.
minutes. Very good. 2 hours 30 minutes. So means what time is the class is end? 12:45 p.m. Of course p.m. because the class started at 10:15 a.m. So the duration of the revision class was 2 hours 30 minutes. So the 10:15 when you plus with 2 hours 30 minutes, so you should get 12:45. Understand or not? Who still don't understand how to solve this problem, class? Who still having difficulties on this?
So this one need to plus or minus? Plus.
See, you again asking the same question. That's why teacher said plus. Show the working like this, huh? If not, I won't accept only the answers. Understand or not? Understand or not, class? (12:45 p.m.)
Teacher need to be highlight PM, AM like this one.
It depends lah. But it's okay if you write, because if class started in the morning 10:15 a.m. means, so after 2 hours 30 minutes, so it should be p.m. Understand or not? Quinas, Ethan, nobody is responding to me. Chris, Channel. Chris, you said Channel is sharing the laptop with you. Okay, Jimmy started doing her homework at 18:10 hours. And he finished all his homework at 22:45 hours. How long did it take her to finish his homework? How to find?
Teacher,
Yes.
4 hour 35.
4 hours 35. You means how?
Because this 80 is
Okay, you got 4 hours 35
wrong.
minutes. So that means you need to minus or plus?
Minus.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Hi, Hema.
I
No
also want to
problem.
go to the toilet.
So everybody go to toilet. I will be alone in my class. Never mind lah, go back.
Teacher, I go to the toilet.
So 18 hours you need to minus. So minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus. Very good. 22 hours you minus with 18 hours 10 minutes.
Today worksheet.
Yes, it's today's worksheet. It's already in Edmodo.
Okay.
Correct. 4 hour 35 minutes.
Correct lah. 45 minutes minus 30 minutes minus 10 minutes is 35 minutes. So 22 hours minus 18 hours is 4 hours. So 4 hours 35 minutes. Very good. Okay, done. Can you see how teacher is showing the working here? How am I showing the working? So you all have to follow the same. Show the working to me. 4 hours 35 minutes. Okay. Mom went to shopping in the afternoon and came back home at 50 minutes past 6 in the evening. Okay, 50 minutes past in the evening means what time? Class. 50 minutes past in the evening. What time?
Sure, bro.
Hmm?
Sure, bro.
No. 50 minutes past in the evening. That means you have to give the answer in 12 hours and also 24 hours. The time she got back from the shopping. Please read the question again. Huh? Mom went to the shopping in the afternoon and came back home at 50 minutes past 6 in the evening. 50 minutes past 6 means what time? 6:50 lah. Not 55 minutes, 50 minutes. So 50 minutes past 6 means 6:55. Understand or not, class? Understand or not? So how to write in 12-hour system? In 24-hour system, how to write? Who can let me know 6:50 in 24-hour system?
1850.
Very good. 1850. Can you all see my answer now? The 12-hour system and also the 24-hour system. They didn't ask you to show any working, and they didn't even mention also the duration of time or what. You just have to write the 50 minutes past 6 in 12 hours version and also the 24 hours clock. Understand or not, class? Is there any question? The last question for worksheet number 1. The tennis between Hamad and his friend Talha started at 3:20 p.m. and ended at 6:40 p.m. How long did the match last? Who can tell to teacher how long?
3 hours and 20 minutes.
3 hours and
20 minutes.
20 minutes because it's ended at 6:40 p.m. right? But started at 3:20 p.m. correct? So how long?
40 minus 20 is 20. 6 minus 3 is 3. So
Very
3
good.
hours and 20 minutes.
Very good. 3 hours, 20 minutes. So 3:20. So the answer is 3 hours, 20 minutes. So means the match, the tennis match, I mean the tennis duration is 3 hours, 20 minutes. Understand or not? Understand or not, class?
Teacher, second pages.
Understand.
Second one.
Can I see the first one and second one?
No, I cannot waste the time, Ethan Lee, because teacher already recorded the video. I cannot scroll up and show because few are following the lesson. So we still have 3 more worksheets to discuss. You can watch the recorded video later on. Understand?
Okay.
Yes. Channel, Chris, Queenas,
Yes,
are you all focusing? Light Chicky, where are you? Okay, so the last question also done. Any question for worksheet number 1, class? Even you can see the working, how did I show? You have to show the exact working to me. Understand or not? Understand? Before we move to the worksheet number 2. Okay, I'll move to. No, teacher is recording the call. I cannot repeat all the questions.
That
Even you
teacher,
can.
you can set to me the recording.
It's I always upload in Edmodo. What?
Teacher, can you set to me? Because Edmodo I cannot run.
Can.
Teacher cannot.
Okay, I can send to you. How now I can send? I'm still recording the call. Okay, worksheet number 2. Okay, can. Okay, worksheet number 2. Since worksheet number 1, I already guided you all. So I want worksheet number 2. The students should try by yourself. Can? Number 1. Ethan, read the question for me and answer the question. Ethan Lim, read the question for me. Hello, am I talking to the wall?
No, teacher.
Ethan? Ethan Lim. Okay, Hema,
Yes,
I've been calling you so many times. Sleeping are you, Ethan? Ethan?
I couldn't hear.
Okay, Ethan, can you please try question number 1? Read the question for me.
Ahmed was very tired yesterday. He went to bed at 8:20 p.m. and got up at 7:45 in the morning. How long did Ahmed sleep?
How long? How long, Ethan? Look at your clock. You can even count by yourself. 8:20 p.m. until 9:20 p.m. is 1 hour. 9:20 p.m. to 10:20 p.m. is 2 hours. 10:20 p.m. to 11:20 p.m. 3 hours. 11:20 p.m. p.m. is night. 11:20 p.m. until 12:20 a.m. midnight is 4 hours. 12:20 to 1:20, 5 hours. 1:20 to 2:20, 6 hours. 2:20 to 3:20 is 7 hours. 3:20 to 4:20 is 8 hours. 4:20 to 5:20 is 9 hours. 5:20 to 6:20 is 10 hours. 6:20 to 7:20 is 11 hours. Okay. He woke up at 7:45. So 11 hours, how many minutes? 20 to 25 minutes. How many? The duration.
11 hours, 25 minutes.
Exactly. 11 hours.
25 minutes.
25 minutes. Understand or not, class? Number 2, Hemar, can you please try? Read the question for me, Hemar.
It takes me 1 hour and 45 minutes to bake a cake. If I start at 3:30 a.m., what time I will be done baking a cake?
How?
Three o'clock 30 plus 1 hour and 45 minutes.
That means the time you took for baking a cake is 1 hour 45 minutes. If starts at 3:30 p.m. in, so what time will be you finish bake the cake? 3 hours 30 minutes. Am I right?
Yes. Wait, I
Okay.
count first.
Okay, no, I just want to know. You need to add or plus or minus. Or plus and add is the same. What do you want to do? Add or minus? Plus. Very
Add.
good. Add. Okay, so you have to add 1 hour.
45 minutes.
Very good. 45 minutes. Then how to show the working? I already showed the working. The only thing you need to find the answer. 3 hours. $30 minutes plus with 1 hour 45 minutes. So how?
Teacher, where I am counting.
Can, no problem. Okay, while waiting for Hema, I'm still waiting for her answer. Okay, while waiting for Hema, like chicken, question number 3. Read the question and try the answer for me.
Me and my mom started watching a movie at 1955 year
Here. Oh, you're watching the movie
hours.
1955 years, right? Good lah.
Hours. It was a 2 hours and 40 minutes long movie. When did the movie end? Guess the time both in 12 hours and 24 hours clock. Oof.
How? That means you and your mom started watching a movie at 1955 hours, correct? So the movie, the length of the movie is 2 hours 40 minutes. So when the movie end? What time the movie end?
Teacher,
Yes, Hemar.
the number 2, is it, the answer, is it 5 o'clock 15?
Exactly, correct. 5 o'clock 16. Why? Okay, 30 plus 45 is equals to?
75, but it's more than 60, so you minus with 60.
Exactly. So minus with 15, but you need to add 1 here, correct?
4. Yes.
You need to add 1 here. So I'll be moving here. Okay, so that means 5 hours, 15 minutes. Very good. Very good, Hemar. Okay, so that means you, what time, the time you have done baking a cake is 5 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, chicken. Okay, while waiting for chicken, Scofield can try for question number 4. Chicken, number 3. What time the movie will end, chicken? No, I said while waiting for chicken to answer, Scofield try question number 4. Okay, chicken. What time? Scofield, can you hear me, Scofield?
What? Is it 12
Yes, teacher.
hours? Wait, no.
Yes, teacher.
Scofield, please try question number 4. But I'm waiting for chicken's answer lah.
Oh, at 7:50 a.m.
12 hours and 40.
12 hours. Wrong.
This need to plus teacher.
Hello, Scofield. You just read the answer and find the working first. Because I'm still waiting for number 3's answers from
I
Chiki.
already know.
So
That-
hold on lah. Scofield, hold on, Scofield. Okay, Chicken, what is your answer? 1955 hours, the time movie started. So it takes 2 hours 40 minutes. You need to add or minus, Chicken.
Minus.
Minus. No, wrong.
Add.
Add.
Minus and add.
19 hours 55 minutes, correct? So you need to add 2 hours
2 hours and 40 minutes.
2 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, Chicken, I want to ask, 55 minutes plus 40 minutes is equal to?
55 minutes plus 40 minutes equals to 95.
Oh, so 95 minutes. Can I put 95 minutes here?
Yes. Yes.
Totally wrong.
What?
How I can put 95 minutes here? 95 minutes is more than 60 minutes, but so you have to minus with 60 minutes. So you should get 35 minutes, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so 35 minutes mean you have to add one more here. 19 plus 1 is equals to 20. 20 hours plus 2 hours is equals to 22 hours. How many minutes?
32 hours and 35 minutes.
Very good. 22 hours and 35 minutes. That's the answer. If the minutes more than 60 minutes, 55 plus 40 minutes. Okay, so 55 minutes plus 40 minutes is equals to 95 minutes. But we already learned for the minutes, you cannot put the 60 minutes there. Am I right, class? Correct or
Yes.
not? So you cannot put the 95 minutes there. Since it's more than 60 minutes, so you have to minus with 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour, right? So you have to add one more here. So 22 hours and 35 minutes. Understand? Okay, Scofield, question number 4. Vincent, what happened to you, Vincent? You are scribbling my screen. Can you see that?
Teacher, less than 1 minute.
Oh, okay, thank you. Never mind. Leave the call and join again. Leave the call and join again. Bye.